What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so first go ahead and open up a web browser from your device. And here, go to support.tiktok.com, and it is going to take you to TikTok's help center. And once in here, tap on the search bar, and here you can type account recovery. So let's search for this one. Now here you can scroll down and go to the bottom, and right here you can tap on report a problem, and tap on email and phone number, and tap on login, and tap on other. So here just tap on no, and tap on need more help. Now in this part here, you can actually type your message explaining you don't have any access to your phone number or your email that are connected to your TikTok account, and after that you can just tap on submit, and a TikTok team is going to contact you within 48 hours and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.